What's going on? In this video, I wanted to share with you a theme I created and a custom feature that you can also use on your store to help make your store more interactive and draw in customers. So if you look at this store here, you're going to notice that on this custom layout here, when you hover over an image, you get the title, you get a specific title, and then it links to a specific page. This is helpful if you want to showcase different products that you sell in a unique way on your store. So like in this case, you can tell that this store is about beard oil or men's self-care. So in this case, we have the beard oil, we have somebody getting a haircut, we have some soaps here. But by having this hover feature, you see how it's interactive. It's not just something that's cool, but it's also interactive because now it's giving me an incentive to learn more. If it was just maybe one static image here with one link, yeah, the customer might click on it, but now by giving them 4 different images, now there's a higher chance. 4 is higher than 1. So now there's a higher chance of them clicking on one of these to take them to a product for them to learn more. Now, in this case, this is just a test store, so it shows the snowboards, but ideally you'd want this to show your product and have custom layouts like this where you can show in unique ways your products. Another good website I want to show you real quick that does this is Nike. If you go to Nike's website, you'll notice here some of the custom layouts that they use. See how they have the 3 custom layouts. So they have this big image and then 2 on the side. This is also very useful because you're displaying your products in live action, also in different ways. So, and of course, this is also interactive because you click on this and it lets you go to another page thing. But again, look for custom features like this. This is the custom feature that I created. Maybe you like the one at Nike, whichever one. Try to look for those ways that you can showcase your images, not just the image standalone like that, but show it maybe somebody wearing it or it being in use to be able to make it more engaging for the customer. At the end of the day, you want to be able to take the customer on that journey. So you want to make ways for the customer to be engaged on your website. And so by having a custom feature like this, that this is the customer is going to be able to be engaged. They can hover over the image, they can see a title about what this product is about. It takes them, you click it, and it takes them to a specific project. So if you're interested in this specific hover feature here, this is the theme that I created. So I can help you set this up on your store. Feel free to send me an email, reach out. We can get this set up on your store. If you like the custom layout by Nike here, I can also help you set that up on your store as well. But the end point that I just want to quickly mention to you once again is you want to find ways to show your products in specific ways, in as many ways as possible, to be able to show the customer how your product can be used in their life. So by having these custom layouts, instead of just one image, because one image can only show one viewpoint of that product. But by having multiple images and multiple layouts here, you can show the product being used in multiple ways. So that's something that you want to keep in mind when trying to build your website with your customers in view, having these custom layouts. But once again, if you're interested in creating these layouts, please feel free to reach out to me. But once again, hope this video was helpful.